To find a specific code on Temu, you need to access the application, which can be downloaded from the App Store or installed via the web by typing in the URL and following the prompts. Once installed, you can set up your account, including capturing and verifying your details. However, it's essential to note that this particular feature is only accessible through the application itself, not the web version. To locate your code, simply open the Temu app on your device. Tap on the account section at the bottom right of the screen, and then click on it. Look for the Invite Friends or Refer Code option, and your personal referral code will be displayed, ready to be shared. This code can be shared with others, and when someone uses it to sign up and make a purchase, both you and the new user will receive rewards. The code can be used at any time, and it's a straightforward process that showcases the app's investment value.